What is up, my people? I feel like I haven't done a video in so long, but it hasn't been long because I posted I posted on Sunday, last Sunday? Something like that, or Tuesday, Wednesday, something like that. But this video is what you guys have been asking for. This video is gonna be on the truck front end, and I'm just gonna do a walk around of everything I have, the size tires I have, the shock extenders, and I'll be placing everything in the link below in the bio, everything in the description below, and telling you guys where I got them. And most of the stuff I got them either from like a friend or stuff, but I will provide a link from either Amazon, eBay, or a cheaper website, the cheapest website there is, because I try to give you guys the best prices and everything like that. So let's get started right now with the front end. Actually, let's leave the front end for the last. I'll put in the description below also the time that I start talking about the front end. Let's do everything else, and then I'll go into depth on the front end. I might even just freaking take off my grill and show you guys how I did it, but we'll see right now. If it's visible, then I don't have to, but if it's not, then I'll take it off and show you guys. All right, let's get into it. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna start with the tires. The tires size are 265/40 22s. So these are 22s. I got these brand new from a shop. Yeah, these need to go soon. I don't like those too much no more. These I need to change as well. They're like the flame, because my wife, to get her hand in there and stuff, she has a small hand either way, but she doesn't like that. Alright, so those same rims, 22s as well. Check it out, check it out. Hit me up if y'all want a sticker, you feel me, Andres Vlogs. I'm about to come out with some doper stuff. Maybe even some shirts, something cool. Right here, these custom broken headlights. Now, I plastic dipped them, and then I broke them. Alright, let's get all the way under here. Ugh. So right here, those are shock extenders. Those are my shock extenders right there. That red thing, which allows my shock to come down. You see those lines in my shocks? I have air shocks, so that way the weight doesn't go too much down. When I do have weight on the truck, it doesn't sink it too bad. I still have my tow hitch just in case it hits, but it hasn't hit, so I'm probably gonna take it off soon. But yeah, those are the shock extenders. These are the shocks, my air shocks. My flip kit right here. You guys see my C-notch or no? Yeah, you guys can kind of see the C-notch in there. So that's how the other side looks, and I guess you can see them from the back, or from when you're driving behind me, you can see them. So that's a pretty cool look. Let me see, what else? Boom, you know, the bicep right there, you feel me? I also have like type of a surprise for you guys, but it's not really a surprise. It just means there's gonna be more videos, and these videos are pretty interesting. I actually am excited for this. I don't know if I should show you guys right now, but you know what? I'm gonna show you guys right now. Hold on. All right, are you guys ready? So right here, boom. Boom, boom, boom. So some of you guys may know what this is, some of you guys don't. Most of you guys, I'm pretty sure, do. But the special thing about this is, so let me tell you guys, it's the Harbor Freight HVLP gun, high volume, low pressure spray gun. So I'm gonna do the bumper myself. I might paint my truck myself. I'm still debating, but I probably am, just to save, you know, a couple $100. You never know. It's always good to save a couple $100. But if I do that, I'm gonna show you guys step by step, sanding process, everything. For now, I'm gonna paint just color match the front end, which is the chrome right here. The chrome and then the white. But I'm super excited for this gun. It's cheap. It's a cheap gun from Harbor Freight. It's like 13 bucks, and if you have a coupon for 20% off, then I think it comes out to like $8, which, man, $8 for a spray gun. I already have the compressor, I already have the lines. I just need the clear coat, the paint. I have the sanding paper, I have the sander, which is awesome. So yeah, you guys stay tuned for that. So I think we're done on the rest of the things. We should just, oh, here are my lights too. They're pretty cool lights. They turn on just a little L. Alright, you guys, time to talk about the front end. Alright, so I'll show you how my lights turn on real quick. Boom, that's pretty cool. I like that a lot, the little L. This LED had went out already, but I fixed it up. So let's pop the hood real quick. Pop the hood. So I do want to add some hood pins as well, either like right here, or like somewhere in between here. Zoom out. My hood. Alright, so this I took off already. This one doesn't matter. My engine bay is really dirty. Let's see. Alright, so this is where my bumper's held on, right here. So, you know what? I'm just gonna have to end up. Oh snap! Oh snap! I almost fell. Damn. I'm gonna end up taking off my grill right now, just to show you guys the process and everything of what I did. And yeah, so let me do that real quick. As you can see, it comes off real easy. Alright, you guys, time to get more in depth. So here are your frame brackets, right here, and you see this bolt, so just remember that. Alright, I'm gonna explain it to you. Alright, I'm gonna explain it to you guys, and then I'll show you guys what I did. So the bumper comes, this is an all original bumper, OEM. It comes with its original support brackets. This truck is a 2001. This bumper, I believe, is 2006. So what I did is I took out my old support brackets and I put in the new ones. When I put in the new ones, I just held it in place, the bumper, and I said, okay, it fits right there, perfect. You know, it's pretty flush with the support brackets, which I'll show you guys right now. And then, but the only thing is, it came out a good amount. So I was like, man, what can I do? So what I did is I cut this down. You guys see that this right here is shaved off, and then it already had a hole, but this one doesn't. This one doesn't come with a hole. And most people, what they tell you is you have to cut this right here and then weld the new brackets, which is these. And I had bought them. I had bought them, and I ended up returning them because I didn't need it. Look, I'll show you guys right here. Here, let me put my light. So you see right there, it fits perfect in there. Like, it sits right on top of the grill. It sits right on top of the bumper. And the grill, they have like no space. It's like nothing. So right here, you see these fit flush. They fit really flush, which makes everything sit down. This one always comes out when I take off the grill. So I'll have to put it back in a bit. We'll do that in a bit. But yeah, so let me just show you guys one more time. You cut this down, shave it off until it won't hit here no more. That's when your bumper will sit all the way back, and then you just leave it there. You pencil mark right here, pencil mark on this side, and you're good. And then this one already comes with a hole, so you drill into that hole, into this one. You do have to squeeze your finger into here, put a bolt, and then just tie it up here, hold it with like a wrench or something. And the same thing over here. You see this one's, they're almost hitting, so I got them really, really close. But no weld needed at all. So that's the little rundown of how I did my bumper. I cut off both those angles that came on the bumper, slid it in there, made some new holes, no weld. Make sure you paint it because you don't want any rust. Mine's is already kind of rusting, even though I did do like a slight paint, but I kept sliding it in and out, so it must have came off. So that's pretty much it, you guys. That's the rundown of the truck, a little walk around of it. But I'm really excited to show you guys on the gun. That's gonna be amazing. If I paint my whole truck, wet sand it, polish, everything, buff it out, that'll be awesome. That'll be super, super dope. But I'll probably make just like a review video once I do my grill, or just do like how I painted my grill, how to delete the chrome, things like that. But there you guys have it. That is the rundown of the truck, the walkthrough, plus the little in-depth of the grill and bumper. The grill is just clip-in. Everything's the same, nothing changed, nothing moved. It's just that little 2-inch spacer at the bottom, but that's why you put your bumper lower. That's all that changes on the front end. I still need to install my fog lights. I have them right there just looking at me, waiting to be installed with the LEDs, but just haven't had time to do it. Thank you guys for all the new subscribers, everybody that has been sharing, posting, anything like that. I thank you guys a lot. This channel is getting there. I definitely wanna make more videos, provide more content. Shout out to everybody who's leaving comments, feedback. Everything is accepted, you know, even negative. There's always something to learn from the negative, positive. You know, I'm loving it. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button, you like the video, and you comment. Tell me where you're from. You know, I've had people that they told me out there in Dallas or Denver, so that's really cool. Let's keep it up. Right now we're almost at 300 subscribers, which is crazy. Like I told you, my goal is 1K subscribers, and then from there, you know, I'll do, like, you know, I'll start doing a giveaway. I'll start doing things like that. I do have more in for you guys, but comment as much as you can. Let me know what you guys want to see. Let me know what you guys need help on. You know, if I can show you how to do something. Even if you guys need more help on the grill, I will make a better video if you guys need it. But I think it's self-explanatory. If I need to, I will take off the whole bumper, but it's kind of difficult because it's already on there, but I will do it if I need to. But yeah, you guys, I really appreciate all the support, the comments, the likes. Make sure to subscribe, and see you in the next video, you guys. Peace.